Let's go. The exhaust actually broken. Some brigs, they're very tough. Yeah. Without oil. With oil, they're a piece of junk. On va pas du sable dans le crankcase. Le sable va être dans les pistons.
Le sable éteint le feu. Il est absorbe la chaleur. Il la rejette.
Let's try with those then. Or too hot. We'll wait. A little bit of nitro for earthy car. A little bit. Just to kill it. So Patrick's gonna take the camera.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what I'm gonna do.
Maybe it will just blow the first time. Oh, backfire. Well.
Smell shit! Come on. Oh, phew. This is some junk. Oh, you can hear the cannon.
Oh shit! Did you see that? Okay, I'll keep the extinguisher closed.
Go get it right now.
I have it.
Go get it, go get it.
I have it.
You have some fire in it. Vas-y, fais le bas.
De quoi, l'extinguisher?
Oui, 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 go.
Gaspillé.
C'est lui ou l'autre?
Ah, là, il flamme. On va l'utiliser.
Allez, c'est comme... Ah, shit. Respire pas ça.
It's broke.
No, again.
Again? Oh, ça fait du feu. Attention, je suis là. Il m'en reste.
Non. Oh, you piece of shit.
Après, on va m'assurer que ça soit bien éteint.
I'm very nice at my engine.
Oh! It's coming.
have a handful of...
No fire?
Oh shit, okay, I'm here. So,
Fuck. It's okay. Piece of shit.
yeah.
No. Hey.
Respire pas ça.
Be careful, those are not good gas. As you can see. Okay.
That's good when you...
Yeah. Okay, go. That's disgusting. Why keep... If fire goes out of the exhaust, don't be a chicken. Spray it. I love that sand.
Finished.
Oh yeah? I don't think so.
Oh
No.
yeah. No more compression.
No, we can hear some. Yeah, there's some. Oh yeah. Cool. Give him some primer.
Like the how many times I stand.
58 seconds.
Tell you, no more compression.
Okay, wait, we're gonna make another video.
The carb shoe.
I love the Comsy. I love Briggs, but I hate that one.
Oh yeah. The carb. I know, actually keep the gas tank.
Yeah, the gas tank will.
Oh, and this... I will continue where I was. Yeah, but the spark plug, try to keep it. My spark plug! Oh, I'll destroy it. Fuck you!
Too bad.
Oh, someone need a piece for this one? Can I give one? Huh? Oh. Oh, this was the buddy. I love my buddy.
Rob, that or
This is... Give one else for the...
smell too much. So for the last one, I'll play golf.
Yeah, he's very good in golf. Oh, nice one. Oh, listen me, I gotta put out the engine. Ready?
I'll take the camera.
All the...
screws are getting out. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see the piston. Oh, God.
Let's see.
Here's all the piston that is broke with the... I'm just gonna open it. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, the timing gear.
Whoops. Wait a minute, I'm just gonna put a piece in it. Okay, ready?
So now the engine is blown. Too bad. Don't break the buddy.
I won't. Slowly. So guys, this is the end of the video.
Bye-bye, gas tank. Go fast. 16 seconds. More on the top, Top.
Top.
More. Oh, this was the carb.
Ace.
Briggs. So bye, guys.